think a lot of times in our life we try to hold on to toxic things and people while hoping that like someone or something new or better will come. But I think we fail to realize that truly letting go of the old and these old mindsets and these old people is the only way we'll see something new come. I've had hard times of letting go of old relationships and still expecting better to come, but unfortunately life just doesn't work that way. And letting go is painful because you don't know what's next. But that's where faith comes into play. Our own human nature stops us from receiving some of the most beautiful things in life simply because we choose to hold on. But I'm learning the power of letting go of the past, of past things, simply to gain hold of the new.